Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm back with another share for my pocket challenge, and this is entry number 7, and it's from the lovely Sophie, who is in Greece, and that's Sophie Folidou, and I hope I said your last name right, Sophie. If I didn't, I'm very sorry. And there's some very cool stamps on here, so I'm going to be saving those. They're amazing. So thank you for that, Sophie. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Now, I did see Sophie's VR for this, and I'm sure most of you know her, but if you don't, you will find her, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. You will find her channel link in the description box below, so please go over and subscribe to her. So I think this might be a little card here, and it's in a beautiful little bag. And I love these bags because you can pop them in your printer and print on them. And she's sent a little altered paper clip here, which I love. So we'll see what's in this bag. Yep, it's a card, I believe. Oh, and look at that. Look how pretty. Oops, upside down. Nope, it's that way. There we go. Beautiful card. Thank you, Sophie. Okay, so all her info is here, and she's Sophie Shabby Little Corner, which I knew. And she's got all her information here. She likes vintage, shabby chic, Victorian, and a little bit of Gothic. Oh, okay, that's cool. She likes all pastels and black. It says, "Hello, dear. I wish you good luck with your challenge. I really enjoyed making the pocket. I like watching your videos. I wish you are always well and very creative, Sophie." Oh, thank you, Sophie. Well, I wish the same for you. And she's also put, I had that backwards. Oh boy, it's morning, guys. I haven't had much coffee. Uh, I had this backwards. That's why it was like that. But look, she's scalped the edge here and put this beautiful piece of lace across it. Like, it's a beautiful card. It's so simple, but it's very elegant and beautiful. So thank you for that, Sophie. I appreciate that. And I will have your information on hand. So that's good. So let me just pop that back in there, the paper clip, and let's look at this amazing pocket here. It's made with this almost like Hessian, but it's not. It's like a linen burlap combo, I want to say. It's really beautiful. It's very, very soft. I love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. This is like one of my favorite colors, this tan color. So thank you for that, Sophie. And of course, the beautiful front of this is just amazing. She's used these vintage doilies here going across the top flap. And then she's got a tiny little pink applique here in the corner with these beautiful dangles coming down. And then she's made this tulle flower here with this lovely resin piece in the center. I love that. It's so pretty. I love these doilies. This is so vintage looking. Oh, wow, look at that. Beautiful lace fabric on the inside and a little scalloped lace here on the bottom, a gathered lace. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at the pattern there. That's just beautiful. I love it, Sophie. Beautiful, nice, deep pocket. Beautiful. And she's got more of those doilies here on the top. Look at those. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. Thank you so much, Sophie. Beautiful. So please go over and subscribe to this very talented lady. Sophie is very active in the community, and she's a lovely, lovely lady and very talented. So please go over and subscribe to her. This is her entry, and it's gorgeous, and I thank you so much, Sophie, for that. I love it. And I will be back later, guys, with another video, so stay tuned, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks, Sophie. Bye for now.